Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to lock or unlock keyboard in Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC or laptop. So let's get started. So if you want to lock your keyboard in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC or laptop, so to do that what you have to do is just simply tap and hold on the shift key, which you will find in the right side. So you should have to tap and hold on the right shift key in your keyboard. So just do it for 8 to 10 seconds, and after doing for 8 to 10 seconds you will find the option which is do you want to turn on filter keys. So what you can do is just simply tap on yes, and after tapping on yes, now you have successfully turned on your filters key. So now if you just simply go ahead and then try to type something, you will find out that your keyboard is not working. So you can see guys, my keyboard is not working right now. Now if you want to turn it off, then what you have to do is just simply again tap and hold on the shift key. So just simply tap and hold on the shift key for 8 to 10 seconds. And after doing that, now you'll again find this pop-up which says, do you want to turn on filter keys? Now you should have to tap on no, and after tapping on no, your keyboard will start to work. So that's it guys, this is how to lock or unlock keyboard in Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC or laptop. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.